you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvee and for today's video let's talk about the Mars lip crayons which are newly launched. So I have been using these for a couple of days right now, and the lipstick which you can see on my lips right now is from Mars as well. Now this is not a perfect one shade which I can tell you immediately because I have used a mixture of 3 of them on my lips. So let me just clear that out in the first go, otherwise people will be in the comments, what lip shade are you wearing? So I've used the shade Girl Power, I Am Unstoppable, and the shade I Am Fierce, all 3 of them together on my lips, and this is how they look. Honestly, I like the darker shades right now. Currently I'm so much into like darker lipsticks. I don't know why, I just freaking love it. So yeah, I have 6 shades over here with me. They have sent me 6 of their shades. So let's swatch these together. I will swatch these on my hand, not on my lips, because I have already done a swatch video which I will insert over here, or you can see on my Instagram. But I just don't want to go through the trauma of just wiping and just applying. It's a lot. I've done that yesterday, so let's not do it today. So the first shade which I have is called 12 I Am Fierce. Oh, and by the way, this is how it looks. Let me just show it to you. This is like the lip crayon. We have a plastic packaging and you have to sharpen it. You get the color coded right here, like the color and the color of the lipstick. Let me just swatch it for you. I'll just swatch it over here. So this is the shade I Am Fierce 12. This is like a orangish mauve tone, just right there. Then let's swatch. This is Girl Power 01. So I've used Girl Power and this shade which kind of mixed together and is the shade what is on my lips. Then we have I Am Unstoppable 11. This is how it. By the way, these are very creamy, as you can see from the swatches. Just perfect. I'm sorry if my swatches are bad. I'm just like really weird at swatches. Now we have I Am Powerful 08, which is a perfect burgundy maroon kind of shade. I think my mom is going to love this. And we have No Filter, which is again a very deep, kind of a similar shade to this one. That's that. And lastly we have I Won't Give Up. So that is the shade, and this is like a very bright shade, like bright what's the name, fluorescent, yeah, fluorescent orange shade. Okay, so the first one is I Am Fierce, which is a very what can we say, like a orange shade. Girl Power, which is a brown shade. I Am Unstoppable, which is a mauve shade. I Am Powerful, which is a deep red. Again, very similar. This is the No Filter one. And lastly, we have I Am Unstoppable. So those were the lip shades, lip swatches. They are very buttery, as you saw from the swatches. They're easy to apply, not easy to take off, which what I want to talk about. So these like dry out pretty quickly, as you can see from here. Nothing on my hands, I'm just doing this, nothing. As you saw from the swatch application, these are very easy to apply, very buttery, goes on your lips amazingly. These does not dry out. This is the one thing which I wanted to emphasize on. Does not dry out like the crazy liquid lipsticks does, but it's still dry, and it just, see, I'm just doing this, and like, you know, it has stayed on my lips, which is one thing which I want to talk about. And again, if I do this, nothing. It is smudge proof and it just won't come off. Literally, I had to take a very great makeup remover. I have the pixie remover over here, and then I just removed it, and then it came off, which is a great thing. Does not feel dry at all on my lips. If I'm not wrong, this retails for under 250 rupees, which is a great thing. I mean, wow. The only concern or the only con which I feel about this product, other than all of this, was the what can we say, like the colors on the lipsticks versus colors over here. So now what I really mean, let me just tell this to you. So when I got these products, if you see, you know, over here, let me show you two examples just right here. So this is the shade I Am Unstoppable, which is this shade, right? So when you just see this closer, this lipstick does not really look like this, you know what I mean? Like when I swatch it, the color from here, like this color which they have mentioned over here, is different from this. And when I got the lipstick, I looked at this shade because this is what they show on the website. So I thought it might be that, but it is looking a bit different. I would say it's just that different. Again, with this shade, as you can see, like this looks, let me just show you, this looks a bit darker to my eyes, and when I swatch the lipstick, you know, it is a bit lighter, and I feel like that's what has happened. And I would really like, you know, if they rectify this problem. Other than that, I mean, I'm really loving it, because I am a person who loves like very dark undertone. So when I see this, I'm like, okay, this is like a dark toned lipstick which might go with my lips, and you know, might go with my skin tone, with my preferences of liking. But when I swatch it, doesn't really look this color. So that was the only con. Other than that, I've been using these non-stop for the past 2 weeks. I've worn these on my Instagram Q&A, and so many of you asked. It was from this. I will add a swatch video for my lips so you can see that. Definitely recommend to any one of you who are deciding to purchase this. Definitely go ahead, purchase it. I really like it. I think these are really good value for money. You just have to sharpen it, and yeah, that is good to go. Perfect for college, perfect for office, everyday wear. Perfect matte lip crayons. So yeah, that was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to watch these videos which are mentioned right here. I upload videos every single week. I have makeup reviews every single week. So if you want, you can definitely check that out, and I would love to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.